Why my AC is turning off automatically. Easy fixes explained. Your AC turns off automatically due to common issues like a dirty air filter, frozen coils, low refrigerant, or a malfunctioning thermostat, all leading to overheating or poor airflow, triggering safety shutdowns, but problems with the compressor, electrical faults, or even an oversized unit can also cause this frequent stopping, known as short cycling. Here are some common causes and solutions. Dirty air filter. Restricts airflow, making the unit work harder and overheat. Solution. Check and clean or replace the filter regularly, every 1 to 3 months. Frozen evaporator coils. Caused by poor airflow, dirty filter, or low refrigerant, the ice blocks cooling. Solution. Turn off cooling, run fan, clean filter. If it happens again, call a pro. Low refrigerant, leak. Not enough coolant reduces cooling and strains the system. Solution. A professional needs to find and fix the leak and recharge the system. Thermostat problems. Faulty readings or bad batteries can cause erratic cycling. Solution. Check settings, replace batteries, or get it calibrated, replaced. Dirty condenser coils. Outdoor coils covered in dirt can't release heat efficiently, causing overheating. Solution. Clear debris and gently clean the coils, turn power off first. Short cycling. The unit cycles on and off too frequently, often from the above issues or an oversized unit. Solution. Address the root cause, filter, refrigerant, etc., or check if the unit is too large for the space. Electrical issues. Loose wires or a bad capacitor can cause shutdowns. Solution. A qualified technician should inspect wiring and components. What to do? Start simple. Check and replace the air filter first. Check outdoor unit. Ensure it's clear of plants and debris. Inspect thermostat. Change batteries if needed and verify settings. Call a pro. For refrigerant leaks, electrical problems, or persistent freezing, contact an HVAC technician.